أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
قل كل يعمل على شاكلته فربكم أعلم بمن هو أهدى سبيلا صدق الله العلي العظيم. Everyone acts according to their shakila. That surely your Lord is the one who knows the best, who is the most guided on this path.
In Surah Yasin, ayah 8 to 9, Allah says, "Surely we have placed chains on their necks, and these reach up to their chins, so they have their heads raised aloft. And we have made before them a barrier and a barrier behind them. Then we have covered them over so that they do not see." In these two ayahs, the word used, basir, which means sight, is not the physical eye, but about the eyes of the heart, or our insight. These ayahs mean that the people cannot see the true meaning, as it has been veiled by the weight of the sins that they committed. It is so important to build it, and we can do this by finding our end goal and understanding the times that we live in. Imam Ali says, "The one who is most aware of the era they live in is a person who is not surprised when they see what's happening around them." Therefore, we need to build this basirat and be insightful about ourselves so that we can continue this path of growth we have. Some tools that we can use are in the Quran. Rather than being wowed by the stories, ponder the lessons behind them and that history repeats itself. Let us build our insight so we aren't like those mentioned in Surah Yasin. The verse that we will be focusing on in this lecture series is the one from the start of the video, Surah Al-Isra, verse 84. Say, "Everyone acts according to their shakila or their disposition, but surely your Lord is the one who knows the best, who is the most guided on this path." Specifically the word shakila or disposition in English. Everyone uses it to dictate the way they act, but what truly is it? What's the power of it? Are we born with it? Can we change it? Is this how I am? Think about this scenario. A husband may say, "Yeah, I have anger issues and I throw the occasional plate and yell and scream and punch. Only occasionally though. Other than that, I'm great." Or ask the wife. She could say, "I emasculate my husband by comparing him to the other men in the community and ask him why he can't be like so-and-so. It really hurts him, but it's only occasionally. Other than that, I'm great." Think of it like this. We are trying to fix a tree by fixing the twigs instead of strengthening the root. We aren't really going to get anywhere. The shakila is not what we do, it's who we are. Then who we are directs what we do. People are taking this religion that Allah created and sent down completely and perfectly and changing it to suit their own needs. For example, instead of praying, these religious curators proclaim that one can meditate instead of pray. This kind of Islam is very dangerous because we are straying from what Allah, the Creator, has told us. There surely is a reason that Allah made it this way, and if we change it to our liking, then it is absolutely not the same. Let us go back to the original guides of the Quran and Ahlul Bayt and go back to the original religion, not this curated one.
يا حسين 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 يا حسين 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 يا حسين حسين حسين